Recently, a lot of people have been asking me, so what's winter like in Alaska? Well, I'd like to show you what it's like when it's negative 30 outside. So give me a second. I'll give you a brief demonstration. Over here, I got some hot water in the microwave. Stick 'em bears. There we are. Pour it in a nice little cup. I'll show you what that does in negative 30. Ready? Dust. No special effects. Just water turning into dust.